Accuracy is vital when you want to measure your temperature. In this video, we will explain how to use our Pro Temp Flex stick thermometers so you will get the most accurate results. Please keep in mind, you can use stick thermometers orally or rectally. Rectal use is recommended for babies and younger children. Oral use is suitable for children of 4 years and older. Never interchange an oral with a rectal thermometer for hygiene reasons. Mark your thermometers to avoid confusion. Fever in babies up to 6 months is always a reason to contact your doctor. If your baby is younger than 3 months, always call your doctor when his or her temperature is 100.4 degrees or higher. Between 3 and 6 months, call your doctor when your baby has a temperature of 102 degrees or higher. When you measure your baby's temp rectally, follow these steps. Apply a little bit of petroleum jelly to the tip of the thermometer. Lay your little one on its back. Bend his or her knees to their chest. Switch on the thermometer and gently insert it. Do not force it, and do not insert it deeper than 1 inch. Remove the thermometer when it starts to beep. Clean it with soapy water or use alcohol for disinfection. When you read the temperature from the display, the arrow will point to one of the 3 smileys: happy, neutral, or sad, depending on the measured temperature. When you take your temperature orally, follow these steps. Do not drink hot or cold drinks or eat hot or cold foods shortly before you start measuring. Insert the thermometer in one of the heat pockets under your tongue. Breathe through your nose and close your mouth. Switch on the thermometer and remove it when it starts to beep. Clean it with soapy water or use alcohol for disinfection. Again, depending on the measured temperature, the arrow will point to one of the 3 smileys. Taking your temperature with one of the thermometers from our Pro Temp Flex series is quick, easy, and comfortable. Taking a measurement will only cost you 10 to 20 seconds depending on the model. Even if your little one is a bit squirmy, the flexible tip will help make sure your baby won't get hurt. Thanks to the waterproof tip, cleaning or disinfecting is a piece of cake after every use.